Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to MGM Hotel Casino. The Eagles are here September 27th and 28th and October 5th.
Stupid idiotic.
They have
Stupidly idiotic things there.
Yeah, right? Alright, there's Brett Garrett's Comedy Club.
Yep.
New York pretzel smells delicious.
You know the coolest part about this place?
What?
Is that they have so much advertising, but even when you're pooping, there's advertising.
What? Did you get the sock store?
Yeah.
Fancy socks.
They'll sock one to you.
There.
Make America kind again. So they got Harley Davidson shop in here.
Biology pizza place. So, fun fact, MGM Hotel and Casino is the largest hotel and casino on the strip.
Oh look, there's Brad Garrett.
Yeah.
Curly hair.
Yeah, he played on Everybody Loves Raymond. Alright, so when you first walk in, that is the hotel registration. You got the bell dress.
Look at that face. That's a face. It's a face of a winner.
That's really cool.
Yeah. I don't know what Hotel California is.
Because the Eagles are coming.
Here's mobile check-in. Here's the guy in the coop.
What is he doing? Oh, he's a circus play guy.
So there's the lobby bar.
And then there's the towers are that way. We got
Got high limit slots to our left.
Is anyone in there? Thanks for your cigarette poof. Nobody's playing high limit slots. Concierge. What else we got? Oh,
There's the towers. How you get into them.
Grand Tower West Wing. Oh, she just won. Holy
What?
she got all of that.
$20?
So anyway, we got the bar over here called Losers. That's the one where they sell the Capri Suns with vodka in it. They're so good. And it'll sneak up on you real quick. Walk through a little bit of slots.
It rocks. Oh, it is called Losers.
Yeah. It's fun to watch football in there. We went and watched Ohio State play. So this is the way you go for Top Golf. There's Umbra. Italian kitchen and bar.
Here's a Chinese place.
There's pictures on the wall in there. It's kind of disturbing. Like troll looking guys in there. Why? Craft steak.
Chinatown. Hey look, the food court moved from Riviera to here.
Yeah, right.
There's
Emeralds.
and they always have the food court.
I honestly don't think I've ever been back this far on this side of,
Me either.
right?
I have no clue where we are.
Yeah. So they have a Johnny Rockets, Nathan's famous hot dogs.
Bonanzas. They just have salads there. That's it.
They have hot dogs. They're known for the hot dogs.
Honda Express.
And the original chicken tenders. CNR.
What is it? I don't know.
You just like saying that. Ooh, they got ice cream there.
Wonderful.
Last call for what? Oh,
Oh,
Pete Rose is in there?
I don't know who that is.
He's a baseball player. Like a legend. For the Reds.
Just get my hat signed. That'd be cool.
Tacos and tequila. Oh, this is the way to the monorail, right? Didn't we come in this way from the monorail?
Oh yeah, we did.
So we got Forever Grand, Wedding Chapel.
Yes, Hunger Games exhibit.
That looks creepy.
Grand Garden Arena tickets.
So that's where you buy like David Copperfield, Hall.
They show the sea
Original series, the CW.
What's that button? Is this button?
Yeah, I think you're gonna be 21 and up to get out there. That's Wet Republic.
Let's go look.
There's the tram. So yeah, that's their Cool.
There we go.
Small, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, they have security over there, so I'm sure we're not going to get through. Triple hours are 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And the lazy hours are 9 to 5. And I believe that's the same way you get to Taco Bell.
Cashmere 3D printed figures.
That's kind of creepy looking.
Yeah, that's good. Here's Showtime.
Here's Quicksilver. MGM Grand Arena. There's Blitz. So yeah, this is where we came in from the monorail. Oh, the monorail's right there. So like I knew we came in and this is right here.
Here's Blitz.
The Art of Music. Anyway, Pete Rose is here. But they wanted $125 for a baseball, so I'm sorry.
Here's
Beer and cocktails. Alright, let's do some Las Vegas or MGM Grand trivia. How many rooms?
10,000.
MGM Grand is the largest single hotel in the United States with 6,852 rooms. Also the third largest hotel complex in the world by number of rooms and second largest hotel resort. Rocks, the jewelers. Shoe shine. Why is that so hard for me to say?
Shoe shine.
Yeah. Everybody, jungle VIP. Well, that's a cool Monopoly one. I like it. There's another ticket office. That one's for Circus Soleil. That's all their memorabilia. There's Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill. It's kind of small for Wolfgang Puck.
Yeah. Here's a restaurant. But
It's 4-star restaurant.
my restaurant's 6.
Here's the bench. Those are super high rollers in there.
Spend like $1,000.
Or more per hand. That's
The minimum is
$500.
500.
Right?
Maximum is 10,000. Here's Crush, fine food, cocktails, and cold beer. Okay, here's the Avenue Cafe, Starbucks.
Alright, so this is High Gal. $15. Face up, High Gal. It's $25 minimum. Oh, here's Blackjack. $50 minimum. Blackjack, $25 minimum. And then we got Roulette. That is $50 minimum. Blackjack single deck. It's $25 or $15 minimum.
Crabs thing we walked by.
And then Blackjack single deck, $15. Let's go down in the background by the ponies. I think she was about to tell us to do here. Oh look! They got rid of the Sigma Derby. They replaced it with this guy.
Here's the good one.
This is not the good one. Let's see who wins. Pick a horse, pal.
Pick 4.
You gotta pick 2 of them.
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Should I go bet on it?
Yeah, go ahead.
See if I have time. Alright. Now pick confidently. We got a little more time.
4 and 6.
Again?
Yeah. Or 1 and 4.
One just won.
Okay.
Did I put $1 in one?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Are you feeling good about this bet? Are you feeling good about your choice? Here we go. Oh! 4 and 7. I don't know if we win. Oh, yeah! Good job. Alrighty. Back down the crop side.
Yep.
Alright. Good pick, Mama.
He said not to pay for it.
Alrighty. Craps is $15 minimum. $15 minimum. And $15, or that was $10 minimums. More slot world.
Here's whiskey down. That's where you down whiskey.
Yeah. Down the hatch. Alrighty.
In life.
Life rewards. We got some more roulette over here.
Yep. Should have bet on 12.
Minimum 15. Minimum 15.
Minimum 15.
Blackjack is
15.
Texas Hold'em.
10. 25.
3-card poker. Face up high
I'm stupidly good at that.
I know, you can pinpoint that minimum quick, huh?
Oh, there's David Copperfield.
Yeah, look at his Emmy. Anyway, that's a cool Emmy, huh?
I guess. I don't have an Emmy yet. You know what my Emmy's gonna be for?
What?
Colin.
Okay then. Did you get the casino bar over here?
Nope, but there's a casino bar.
And so then they have all the digital stuff, blackjack, craps, and more blackjack. Oh, they're playing each other. That's kind of cool. There's a cigar shop.
There's Jabberwocky.
That was a cool show. We saw that.
Yeah, they didn't talk much.
They don't talk at all. There's
I
roulette.
bet you it's gonna land on 00.
Alright, let's look.
There it goes, right?
Nope. 29.
24.
24. Oh, what's the big six gonna land on? I'm gonna say 3.
I'm gonna say 12. What'd you say?
Oh, I said 3.
I said 12.
It's on 1. We're really bad at that, huh?
Yep.
Alright, we got a poker room to our left.
Yep. Once ran through there and knew it. No, I don't know.
Sports bar.
Yep.
It's a pretty busy place in there, huh?
Yeah, it's really good. I like it. There's Centrifuge. Fugue?
I had a drink in there once
I didn't.
on New Year's Eve. Me and Dad went in there.
Like, I legally cannot.
Yeah, it's against the law. Black Clover.
Yep. Huh, nobody's in there. Free hats.
Lucky devil. This is a big game room type thing over here. They have a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know, this is beer pong, but it's weird. So we're up top, so we can see everybody down there. It looks like there's a stage, so maybe they have concerts sometimes, or giveaways. Well, there's a virtual reality. There's a little bowling alley thing with those little baby balls. Anyway, there's a hot shot basketball game. I could beat you if you were 21. We'd go in there. Hey sir, would you like to buy call tickets? So we're back at that sports tab. Is that what it's called? Sports bar?
It's just a tab. It's a sports bar. I want to be able to do a flip one day with my Emmy.
A flip?
Yep, with my Emmy.
You better start packing. You better start practicing.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, guess what? Wow, it's not a Starbucks.
Right here by the West End Market is MGM Sportsbook. It's kind of small.
But it does the job.
Absolutely. If the Bengals win, you get 50% off Papa John's. What?
Well, you know what team they're voting to win.
Yeah.
You guys want us to go to the buffet?
Weekday dinner, $32.99. And then Friday, Saturday is $39.
Look how long their forks are.
There's more table games. Blackjack 15. Blackjack 15. Roulette 15. And I'm sure that one's 15 as well. It's getting busier in here because the night goes on. It is 6:15 on a Tuesday night, everyone.
Going up on a
Tuesday.
So guys, that's the end of the video. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Please don't hit the dislike button because we know you enjoyed it. And see you in the next one.
Wait, we forgot to say, this is where you catch Uber, this way.
Oh yeah.
Because that is pretty information that people want to know. Anyway, they watch our channel. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. So,
Oh,
oh, thanks.
Thank you. Aww.
2 in a row.
Hey.
Sand Bridge.
I was waiting for you to come that way and look for me like, where's to go? Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video of MGM Hotel and Casino. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.